Okay, so here we have the internal components of wall-mounted switches, something like that. Okay, and the one on the right side is shared, that's an input, that's an output, and that's an output. And the one on the left side is independent. One enters, one exits, the second one enters, and the second one exits. So when you flip the switch, when you press that button, you are basically moving this tiny internal component up and down, and this one is independent, whereas this one is shared. Oops, now that moved. So the shared one has 3 screws only, and the independent one has 4 screws. Those screws are not visible until you take apart all the components. So here we can see L1, that's one entrance, and 2, that's the exit, and L is the second entrance and second exit, so they are totally separated. Whereas this one, it has one entrance, the line, and it has 2 exits, and that's nothing, unused.